This video will cover the installation of Eclipse for C and C++. Go to eclipse.org and click the Download button. Scroll down and click the Download Packages link. Scroll down again to the Eclipse IDE for C and C++ developers links and select the correct operating system. Now click the Download button. This is a relatively large download and may take a little time. While you're waiting, navigate to the folder where the zip file is downloaded to. Right-click on the file and select Extract All. Select a location to extract to that is convenient for you to find again. Avoid any spaces in the path to Eclipse. The unzipping has been sped up. It may take a little while. Once the files have been unzipped, navigate to the Eclipse folder. To run Eclipse, double-click the eclipse.exe. If this is the first run, create a new workspace. Eclipse will take a second to build it. To create a new project, go to File, New, C++ Project. For C, select C Managed Build. For C++, select C++ Managed Build. Either way, for the project type, select a Hello World project and select the MinGWGCC toolchain. Now you have a project that you are ready to start implementing, building, and testing. Once you are ready to run your project, you may notice it does not have a launch configuration. Simply right-click on the project in the Project Explorer panel to the left. Go to Run As and select the local C/C++ application option. Eclipse will create a launch configuration for your project and run it, and now the green launch button will work too. For help with setup or your assignments, please contact us. Thanks for watching.